track. Remember, be very smooth on the gas and very smooth off the gas. You're welcome to hold the throttle even at 50% if you want to. It doesn't have to be 100 or 0. It can be 50, it can be 60, it can be 70, it can be 20 even. Just feed it in, feed it and take it out slowly. Alright, car number 1, move to the right.
One mother, I've taken a lot of pictures. I can share them.
Okay, everybody get behind me again.
Can you take a video with this?
We have a new car number 1 behind me.
Okay, fully
Again, remember to brake before the corner, slow the car down.
So take a video.
At its minimum speed, you got to put maximum steering
Now on the straight,
and then start to unwind from
just
the
take a video, be ready.
Remember, the reason why we do that is to
You have
make
to hold
use
on
of
to
the
my
minimum
camera,
speed
it
of the
will
car,
go wide
because that's when
otherwise.
the tires can produce maximum grip. So you got to make use of that and turn the steering wheel as much as possible to finish your corner as early as possible. You see how I do it here? I slow the car down, maximum input, turn the car as much as I can and then start to unwind from there.
Okay, be ready.
That made sense. Too much physics or driving experience for me, but the easiest way I can put it.
Ready?
But you're not going to run away. I want everyone to be
Go.
comfortable. The second car, do a straight line test. Don't make a gap. That's why you put that straight line. Yep, you did exactly what I didn't want you to do, which is why the driver in car number 1 has to drive at 80 kilometers per hour. If you do maintain what I want you to do, then don't worry, we will catch speed.
What happened to the audio?
For the width of the racetrack, from outside to inside to outside, which means you join the white line now that's on the right. You see the white line where my car is, and then at the turning cone I turn left and go to the white line on the left side. Then I open up and then go back to the white line on the right side, and then go back to the white line on the left, then the white line on the right, and then the white line on the left again. The easiest way to put it, I go turn right to the white line on the right, and then to the left, the white line on the left, and back to the right across the track. Now to use all the width available to you is also possible to do on the road every day. Let's wait for the third car to come. So on the road as well, even though you've got lanes, you can use the maximum width of the lane. You can go all the way from the white line in one lane to the white line in the same lane without cutting your lane. Not as wide as the racetrack, but it's still wider than the car. Don't worry, car number 3, we won't drive too fast. We'll wait for you. For the rest of you, just enjoy the drive, get a feel of the car. Have to put a little bit faith in the tires and a little bit faith in the car, and don't let it scare you. The moment it scares you is when you get into trouble. Put some faith in it, you'll be fine.